Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to download and install AnyDesk in Windows 11. So for this application download we have to go to the browsing systems, then we have to write AnyDesk download, then go to the AnyDesk official website, click here download. So before that we can check that AnyDesk already have or not. Control panel, see here we are not installed before AnyDesk in my laptop. So now we will execute this. Press double click. See, it has come normally. After executing, the page is here. Now we have to install AnyDesk. So click install AnyDesk on this device. Accept and install. Yes. If we want to go to the next version, that means discover version 8, then update. So here is the address. Now check from the programs, control panel, programs and features. See here, and the version is 8.0.6. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.